Now, like I said before, play on a build on the prior play. This is still kind of like a power concept, right? So we're going to get this backside guard pulling again. A little different set from the formation wise of where the fullback is. They were pistol prior to, and now they're kind of offset. But same type of action, right? So he's going to come across his face. Tua gives him a little play action look, a little run fake. And again, backside guard pulling. We have backside tackle, again responsible for the end. We'll double the 3-tech with the left tackle and left guard and work to that next backer. And because this tight end is going out for a route, which he would typically in power be my kick out block, right? Well, since we don't have that, now this guard's responsibility is to seal this end. So next threat coming in, that's my guy. Let me take care of him and give Tua an opportunity to have a clean pocket.